Hello YouTube and welcome to Heathen Hacks. Do you have some old hi-fi or home entertainment speakers just lying around in the storage and gathering dust because you don't know what to do with them? Or perhaps you want to upgrade your computer speakers but you don't want to spend a lot? Well, in this video, we will unbox a little amplifier called Lepy LP-838. We will also unbox some things that we need to use it, go through the steps that we need to do before setting it up, and the setup process for first use of course. Let's go! We need a total of 3 items, assuming that we already have the wires for the speakers. I have. First item is a 3.5mm jack to RCA cable. This is for connecting either a mobile phone or computer as music source to the amplifier. A 12V 5A power supply. And finally, the amplifier itself. Here are some of the features of the device. Here's the manual. Here are the specs according to the manual that is included. And here are the specs from Banggood. You see? Confusing, isn't it? Here is the front of the device. A power switch, an LED indicator for power and bass output, a bass volume knob, an auxiliary input port for a 3.5mm jack, and knobs for treble, bass, and volume. Here's the back. Audio input for the RCA cable, super bass port for the subwoofer wires, the clips or ports for the left and right channels, and an input for the power source. Now that we know the specs, let's take a look at the impedance rating of the speakers that we will be using. So both of the front speakers have 12 ohms impedance and the subwoofer has 8 ohms. And according to the Banggood specs, the speaker impedance rating is about 4 to 16 ohms max. Okay, let's assume that it's per channel. If it's 16 ohms max per channel, then we're safe. After that, let's proceed on connecting the speakers, music source, and power. My front speakers have blue and black wires. Yours may be different, but the ones with black are usually for the ground. So insert the black wires on the ground clips or ground terminals, I don't know what it's called, and the blue wires on the positive clips. Then the audio inputs, red to red and white to white. Then the subwoofer. And last but not the least, the power supply. Okay, let's turn it on. Then let's check the right and left speakers. Alright, both working. At this point, the only thing left to do is to equalize the bass, treble, and bass volume according to our preference. Here's my current settings. The sound is pretty good for my taste. Let's play with the settings a little bit. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you again next week.